Hello everybody, so today I will talk about the chemistry. The topic today we will learn is about how to determine oxidation, reduction, oxidizing agent and reducing agent. So I will show the step by step how to do this question like this. So I just use about real chemical equation, and I will illustrate how to identify oxidation, reduction, oxidizing agent, and reducing agent. First, we need to find about the oxidation state in here. For example, in here we can see that Mn is about oxidation is number 7 because the oxygen in here is about the -2 and potassium is about +1, so -2 multiplied with 4 you got about -8. So because we have potassium is about +1, so Mn should be +7. In this one we have the oxygen is about -2 multiplied with number 2 you got about -4, and so Mn in here you got about +4. So the oxidation state from Mn is +7. Now after reacting you got about +4. So this is about reducing because +7 reduced to the +4, so we call reduction in here. On the next one, because we have the reduction, so the oxidizing agent it should be KMnO4. This is about the step by step to find reduction first, then we analyze about oxidizing agent of the reactant. So be careful, two agents should be on the reaction only, not about the product, so that when we do about oxidizing agent and reducing agent, they should be on the left side of the chemical reacting. On the next one, we can see that the carbon in here is about +4, but the carbon in here this is about +2 because the hydrogen in here is about +1, and we need to know that this is about the -2 because the hydrogen is about +1. 4 multiplied with 1 you got about +4. The carbon in here should be about -2 multiplied with 2. So in here we can see that the oxidation state of the carbon is about -2, they go up to the +4, so we call them is about the oxidations in here. So because we find about oxidation, so we can call them is about reducing agent in here. So this one is about reducing agent. That's it, the end. Thank you for watching.